slaughterhouse.
No. Well, here's the thing. Here's the thing, right?
First we go to Bird's Rectum and check out the weather before we go to the factory.
Okay, but you're not getting to my actual story here.
Story time of Bird.
Yeah, let's hear it.
Hold on.
Cow story is number 2.
Hello?
Okay, continue your story on the cows.
Okay. So there's a reason why we have our
Wait,
food
you have
here.
to start from where the cows came from.
Well, no, the cow's already there. God just laid them out there.
Like, boom, there's a cow.
Yeah, seriously, that's how it is. No,
Did
I'm
he come
dead
from
serious.
another womb?
Come on,
of
just
some
no,
sort?
just listen to a story.
God,
It's not going to make sense, but you have to listen to it.
When doesn't he make?
Anyways,
Okay, cow just appears. It never comes out of the womb of another cow. Okay? They are new sexual creatures. Okay?
how we doing? Everything okay?
Yep.
Good, thank you.
Alright. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, well anyways, they are... Fine, I'm trying to freaking tell you a damn story here.
Well, then just keep going. We need coffee.
Anyways,
Exactly, I need to wake the fuck up.
anyways,
Anyway,
they are into sexual creatures. Only job that they give us is milk and meat. Now, no, listen. No, listen. The reason how we got our meat is that when people like kill the cows, you have to like actually know what the cow is thinking.
Yeah, one
Before
thing,
you
kill
kill
me.
No, wrong. They think of other things. Okay,
but Bird fucks the cow before he eats it. So.
wrong. I don't.
Yeah, it's tradition. It's Bird tradition.
You don't know my traditions, don't you? But anyways. The reason how we get cows is because you know how some cows are dumb, right?
Yep.
The cows that are dumb, that's the cows that we eat. They slaughter only the dumb ones. And if you ever, once in a lifetime, see a cow that can somehow...
Because cows they're really rare.
Yeah, they're endangered.
They're endangered.
Exactly. And I'm just saying this, is that if you see a cow that can actually like walk like a person, talk like a person, does like amazing tricks like acrobatics or some shit like that.
It's a duck.
No,
It's a sheep.
it's a human. We have to think of it as a human. Even though
They become bipedal, you have to call them humans.
Wait, is that what happens to the smart cows that they don't slaughter?
yeah, they don't get slaughtered. They become just humans. Whereas I'm talking about like the
Do
dumb
they still have
ones.
like the big ears and like the big noses and stuff? Or no?
Yeah, they're like the lactose cow.
Yeah, like the commercial.
Yeah.
True move.
Wait, do they turn colors? Are they blue? Like that one cow?
I think
All of our
it
stuff-
according to the weather.
I mean, just look at what he's doing right now. He's taking his first slice into one of our victims.
Hey, you see this meat? This comes from a dick. This comes from a cow.
It comes from a dick. Oh my god.
That explains
Oh,
so
you guys
much.
are sickos.
Everything.
Oh my
You guys
god.
are sickos. I never was talking sexual at all. I'm trying to teach class here.
Wait, so is it your dick? Is it that small?
It's kind of flat.
Oh!
Class is dismissed.
Class is dismissed. Bring.
No.
There's no need of trying to play with that.
Come on, go do your
Trying
pilgrimage.
to violate me, guys. Save me.
Go to your pilgrimage to the white girl land.
I'm letting the women go front.
Oh, so you first.
Oh, whatever. You're the one that's mostly raping me.
I don't think they can hear you.
Quit. Freaking quit.
Right, Speckham.
Shut up.
Umbrella. You do? Drink your white girl drink and be happy.
I want to start a new word, but I think it's a little cruel.
What?
White girl.
Micro.
No, that's mean.
That is mean.
told
That's
you
not
it
even,
was a
there has to be an
little
inside joke behind it.
I told you it was a little mean.
Now I'm like getting bored with this drink.
Drink.
What?
She got you that for free.
I know.
Yeah.
I was gonna give it to Draven.
Like she was gonna give me her heart after you guys. I still can't believe you actually thought that was a thing.
Wait, her actual heart or her heart of her ocean?
Yes.